Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing the tour of 8368 Stateroom Carnival Cruise Deck 8. So let's see how the room looks inside. Wow, amazing. It's a very nice room. It's a big size queen bed for two and table lamps on the corners. And this is the mineral water plus two glasses, $4.75 for each bottle, so it will be charged extra. So this is the intercom. So these type of two power plugs, they don't allow the power boards inside, so some of the instruction booklets, and again another power plug, and this is the small drawer stool for the makeup, and this is the small mini bar. So very nice. And what's inside here, it's a small locker to put up the valuables. And this is the TV. You can't plug in any of your device like USB or anything. So this is the wardrobe with cloth hangers. This is the life jackets. Another wardrobe with a lot of cloth hangers, so you don't need to carry more hangers. And this is a third one with some of the shelves to put up the stuff. And this is the toilet, and some towels, and this is the shower room. And these are the shower gel and shampoo. So if you are using electric shaver or anything, I could not find out the switch where you can put up the electric shaver, so maybe you have to use the cordless one. Small mirror, so you can use that. Soap. And now the final part, balcony, I will show you. So two chairs outside to enjoy in the balcony. And this is the amazing view, Opera House. See, as you can see now, circular quay, amazing view. And on the left is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, which I can't see. So as I am on the right side of the cruise, so I can't see the Sydney Harbour Bridge. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel to see more videos on the Carnival cruise, and press the bell icon. Thank you.